to announce the partnership of Salad Box and VMV Hypoallergenics. So most of you, were with us last month for the Benefit and Salad Box partnership launch. This month we're partnering. For April, we're partnering with VMV for an exclusive box with them. So it's the same. For a 500 peso price tag, each box you'll be receiving a box filled with beauty product samples, sometimes full size, and sometimes there are inclusive services. Sorry. Okay, so for April, we're featuring all VMV hypoallergenic products, and as you can see here, the products will...
This is the starter set of VMV Hypoallergenics because we figured the Salad Box market, this is the first time that we're partnering with them, and we figured that maybe it's the best chance for us to introduce ourselves to the market, and there's no better way to introduce our products than to give out the basics or the starter set. So this one that we have here is the VMV Super Skin Start Seer set. So it's a set of starter sizes of a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. And then another basic, which is the sunscreen, of course, because you want to educate the consumers on the importance of applying sunscreen every day. And then, of course, a lipstick. We will be giving out how many shades? About 8 shades of lipstick. So it's actually
that's the sample select for April.
So for the shades of the lipstick, kayo nang bahala maglagay.
That one
or it's a random.
No, it's not random. They'll be selecting them.
Ah, that's nice.
For Benefit before, it's a choice between the blush and the lip gloss.
Yeah, the lip gloss.
For April naman, it's gonna be a choice
of the shades.
So maybe to introduce VMV Hypoallergenics. VMV Hypoallergenics has been in the industry since 1979. And we call ourselves the safest, most proven effective care on the planet. We're the safest because we are the only brand to validate the hypoallergenicity of our products. So if you can see in the products, there's a tiny number there. This one is VH75/76.
Oh, here.
Really tiny. Yes. Because what we do is we follow the two giants in dermatology, the American Contact Dermatitis Group and the European Surveillance System on Contact Allergies. So these two groups does patch tests on numerous patients, and what they do is they list down all the most common allergens that are found in everyday items. So what VMV does is we collate those that are present in cosmetic products. So right now we have 76 ingredients that are listed as allergens. And the challenge with VMV is to make sure that all those 76 ingredients are not present in the formulation of any products. So that's how we validate. So that's the number. So if it's VH minus 76/76, it means none of the 76 is present. But if it's 75, like in
there's
this case, there's one, and we make sure that it's in the ingredients list. So when you look at the ingredients list, there's one ingredient there that is italicized and underlined, so that is the allergen. So we make sure that all the information is available as much as possible, including what the allergen is. So if a customer is allergic to, say here, tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E, if they are allergic to that, then we wouldn't recommend this product. So that's how honest VMV is. And if you can see also in the packaging of our products, a lot of information is very detailed instructions on how to use it. Like, we don't force them to use it every day if it has an active ingredient. We have to do the application frequency wherein they will just do it for twice a week first, and then until eventually it gets to everyday usage. So because our customers are the ones who are really intelligent, or we like to call it skin intelligent, because they already know what they're looking for in the skincare product. They know what they're allergic to. So we make sure that all the information as much as possible is available. And at the same time, we also have blogs that we would like you to follow also, we have vmbnskin.com and skintelligencecenter.com. That's where we provide additional information. So that's where we publish the studies that we do in our research facility. That's where we also do tips, and most of the articles in that blog also came from the customer service questions that we get from actual customers. So if there are random like I cannot use any toothpaste because I'm allergic or I'm sensitive to fluorides, then that's how it sparks idea. We get articles. We have a toothpaste that's fluoride free and surfactant free, so it helps address perioral dermatitis there. So also VMV has the widest range of products. We have everyday skincare regimen for dry skin, combination with oily. Then we have bath and body. Then we have sunscreen, of course. And then if you have targeted skin concerns, we have acne for aging, and then lightening. And then even for kids, for babies, we have products for them also. There. So yeah, that's VMV. People get surprised when we tell them that VMV is a locally produced brand.
Yan na naman ako.
You did. You got surprised. Yes, we get that all the time. It is produced here in the Philippines. The formulations, the products are produced here, but it's available internationally through vmphypoallergenics.com, our website, which ships anywhere in the world. And then we also have a boutique in New York, in Soho. So if you happen to travel abroad and be in Soho, so please do drop by VMP Hypoallergenics there. And then we have distributors in different countries, like we have in Sweden, we have in Italy, we have in Norway, in Germany, Singapore, Japan. So we're expanding. Actually, we're working on registrations in Canada, in Costa Rica. So hopefully we get that amicable global conquest. And then our vision is to someday save the world's skin, because we really want to have options for all those people who cannot use just any product or cosmetics. So yep, and now we're reaching out to Salad Box, hopefully to reach more people.
Alright, thank you.
From about 700 to 2,500. That's the range. It's quite more expensive than the products in the market, because doing formulations of products and not having to use those ingredients or
it's really
expensive, leaves us
and
with really expensive
time
raw materials. And the studies that we do also to back up the research or the claims that we do on the products are really expensive. So that's why the price range is on that level.
Gaano katagal yung, kunyari, like for one bottle of the VMB toner, like that, gaano siya tumatagal? Ilang months?
Most of our products, ang shelf life niya is for around 2 to 3 years already. So if you see a product na hindi nakalagay yung expiration date, it's just the manufacturing date, it means that it will last you until 3 years of shelf life. But if it does have, it's about mga less than 2 years.
2 years.
Yung shelf life. Although there will be some products that have 1.5 years of shelf life. That is because most of the preservatives kasi are also allergens. So we have our own preservative system in our products. So yun, yeah, it's really tricky. So it varies for different products.
What are the top 3 bestsellers from VMB?
Definitely Armada. This one, our sunscreen. This is very popular for travelers, even international market.
Yeah, oo.
Yes,
sa magazines, lagi ko nakikita.
This is really a popular one for athletes.
Yes, actually athletes.
They like it because it's not greasy. That's what they usually...
SPF 70.
Yes, it's SPF 70. And it's also an indoor and outdoor sun and light screen. So, most of the sunscreen out there protects you from UVA and UVB, but this one is also tested to to help or to address indoor and invisible lights, infrared lights. So, because sometimes nagne-neglect na tayo like we don't know na in front of the computer.
Exactly,
Yung
yeah.
pala, it has lights that really causes aging for us or dark spots. So, it's really important to use an light and sunscreen there. So that's one. And then the other is the virgin coconut oil. This one is the second most popular product. Very popular sa press namin, especially
Why?
Is because coconut oil is gaining its popularity on being a moisturizing agent.
Yes.
And coconut oil is parang very native to the skin. Also, so it repairs your barrier on the cellular level. Plus, it's organic. So, it's really popular.
Is it called press?
This is called press and first press. Na virgin coconut oil. So, it's a certified organic virgin coconut oil. Came from our own farm in Philippines. So, that's why we're really sure on where it came from. And so it's really it's gaining popularity as a moisturizing product.
And you can use it anywhere, diba? For hair, face, body.
Yes, and this is also advised for people with hypersensitive skin, those with eczema, psoriasis. This one is highly recommended.
Even sa scalp?
Yes, even sa scalp. And then, those people na, halimbawa, their skin got damaged na because of all the products they used. So, we suggest going on a skin fast. So, for 7 days, they couldn't use any product. We won't recommend them to use any product. Kasi we want the skin to do fasting muna. So, what we recommend is use virgin coconut oil to wash your face.
Really?
Yes. Oil is a really good.
What is it a cleanser or all around na
It's
siya?
all around oil. This is even food grade, ha? They put it on their salads.
Oh my God.
It's just
How much is that?
no. How much? Yeah, sorry. This is 530, but we have a bigger size. We just don't have it available now. That's 710.
Oh. Ano na siya, it's very affordable na for the benefits that you're getting, diba?
And then we also have one brand ambassador who does bullet coffee. Like parang they mix coconut oil on
With
their coffee.
coffee?
It's yummy daw. I haven't tried it though, but it's really yummy daw. And
Matry nga yan.
kasi coconut oil does wonder even inside.
Exactly.
Parang so it's really highly recommended. The family, the owners, use it for cooking. So
Yeah.
really, it's really popular product of us, the Boo Boo Balm.
Boo Boo
So it's
Balm?
under the mom and baby line. So it's petrolatum and virgin coconut oil. There. So it's like petroleum gel.
Oh, but it's in a balm.
It's a balm. So you use it for rashes. For any irritation.
For baby, no?
For babies, but even the adults love it. They use it as a lip balm, for cracked heels. They use it for everything actually. We even had one na parang nalagyan ng glue yung eyebrows niya. So he used this to remove it. So super nice. So this is one of the most one of the popular product. But sa PH market, the other popular product is the Essence Skin Saving Anti-Perspirant.
Okay.
So this one naman is under our bath and body line. So this one is super effective kasi it really prevents the wetness of underarms, which causes the odors and the bacteria growth. So this one is the fastest moving in the PH market.
For the month of April, Salad Vax is collaborating with VMB Hypoallergenics. So, sa isang box, ito yung makukuha nyo sa loob. So, meron tayong Hydra Balance Gentle Cream Cleanser. We also have this one, the Super Skin 2 Monolorin Mandelic Acid Plus Toner. Meron din tayong Hydra Balance Smart Moisturizer. And this one is ito yung one of the bestseller nila, yung Armada Sport 70. Usually, ginagamit to, karamihan. Lagi ako nakakita na ginagamit to ng mga athletes. Mga nagte-tennis, nag-golf. Yan. SPF 70 siya. And, of course, lipstick.